Hi, my name is Joana Contreras Espinosa, and I want to talk about waters. I'm Team Horchata, so for me, horchata's water is the most delicious water that you can drink on a hotter day. And also, if you prepare it with ice, it's colder than Jamaica's water. But what happens if you are thirsty and you don't have a lot of time to do those waters? Well, I think that you can do lemon's water that is easier to do than the horchatas and Jamaica's water, and also it's delicious. I think it's another option that you can do.